Hello YouTube. I made a mistake. Not the first, but when I edited the video for last week, which was on degreeing the cam end play, and piston to valve clearance, somehow I removed the segment on cam end play. So what follows is that segment, and I do apologize. Now that we've degreed the cam, and we know that it's only 1 degree out, we're going to accept that. But the question is, what do you do if it's 2 degrees out or 3 degrees out? Well, if you remember, the bottom sprocket has multiple settings. There's 0, +2, +4, +6, +8. Same thing on the other side. We got -2, -4, -6, -8. So if we were 2 degrees retarded, what we could do is set this sprocket at 2 degrees advance, and that would wipe out the 2 degree error. The next thing we need to do to install this cam is to check end play. And end play in this motor wants to be between 5 and 10 thousandths. What's end play? Well, you have a cam. From here to here you have a cam. And from here to here you have what's called a cam button. And on the back side is the motor. So this cam and the cam button moves back and forth based on the space of the cam button. The cam button is in back of this cover, and it's a plastic piece. And what you do is you file it down till you get your 5 and 10 thousandths end play. Again, we're going to be lucky, I believe, because this cam button has been in here before, in this engine, on this cam, so we could be lucky and it might be exactly correct. We will zero out our dial indicator. The dial indicator probe is on the back side of the timing gear. The timing cover and gasket and bolts are torqued to spec. So the cam is in the motor as if it was going to run. And what we're going to do is pry the cam back and forth very carefully. And I have, well, a ½ a degree that way. And I've got a little over 5 degrees that way. So we're at 5 3/4 thousandths. And we want to be between 5 and 10. We can repeat it. We'll pry it forward, and it's at a ½ a degree, and we'll pry it back, and it's about a ¼ degree above 5, so we're within the range. What would we do if we weren't within the range? Well, if it's too much, in other words, I had 20 thousandths end play, the only way to fix that is to replace the cam button. Now, that's only about $1.50. It's just a little plastic piece. If you don't have enough end play, you take the timing cover off, you take the bolts off, you take the gasket off, you file down the cam button, you put it all back together, and you check it again. We're fortunate because this was all set up before and is exactly the way it should be. Again, I apologize for the inconsistency of my video on installing the cam, degreeing the cam end play, and piston to valve clearance. It's now broken up into 2, and I'm not going to do it again in the near future, so we're going to live with it. That's 3 videos in a row where we haven't got 100% of our goals, but we come close. If you enjoyed this video, there will be more.